That was an insane lightning that over there. I mean, it was wow. I mean, it cut the power off to everything. I wish I had moved the camera because I was thinking about it. Oh my gosh. I mean, that was nuts. It was one of those where the lightning stayed. You could very clearly see the lightning. Multiple seconds worth of hang time, you know? Honestly, I would have the GoPro out, but oh. I don't know if you could see that. That was like maybe higher than the camera angle. And the camera could be angled. I don't know. This storm was not forecast like this. Like, this is not the time of the day that this was supposed to be here. There's supposed to be storms tonight, but you know, seems like the storm activity kicks up around me. I could point out more why I think that is, but I'll just let the storm speak for itself. Or I'll let Yahweh speak through the storm. I'll say this. As I said, it was not forecast. This is the kind of thing and intensity that is going to happen with this with the storms throughout the U.S. today. Oh my God. I really hope there's another lightning and thunder that's like right on camera that can make up for missing that one, because that was nuts. Obviously, if it knocked the power out, but there you go. That, I will say, that wasn't quite as impressive as that other one, but okay, at least we got one good one on. Price of admission has been paid. I don't even know where the lightning. It's like, I don't know which way to face the camera, because we're getting some on the left and the right and like right above us and whatever. So I'm gonna just have faith that this is the way to point it. It's literally 5 in the morning, 5:54. saw today Deepika Padukone shared something because she's in Bhutan, and all the pictures that she shared were hashtag Land of the Thunder Dragon. And I'm thinking like, bro, if there's any land of the Thunder Dragon, it's here in Houston, Texas. You know what I'm saying? Like, am I Moses and Aaron fighting off Pharaoh's wizards, throwing down my staff and it's turning into a dragon? And it definitely looks, if there's anybody that has lightning power, it's gonna be Matt Wilkins. Or, you know, Yahweh, but looks like he shares that with Matt Wilkins. Looks like I get to be on the throne with him. Whole Revelation 3 thing. Yeah. What do you think, Yahweh? That was that way, but yeah, it sounds like Yahweh's back in angry deity mode. I'm gonna be honest, I was asleep. But, you know, there is this, I think, concept of like just resting in what he does. But, you know, hopefully I can cooperate with him and see some crazy lightning. I really wish I could have caught that one that was like right over there. That was like right there. But fingers crossed, it gives another really, really good one. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm gonna turn my computer on and I'm gonna try to capture what I'm doing. at the same time, so you get a multi-view. I've turned the computer on and I have OBS on, so I'm recording. Another handful. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Pressing into my right leg. I've been doing this past few nights, like here at the window. Do this. Left leg. Woo! And I was thinking that was pretty neat. Lightning streak across the sky there. I don't know if that got it on camera. God. This would have been so great to have the GoPro out there, because it's like I'm just not gonna be able to catch this all. This is such a bum. I mean, it's a bummer, but it's cool at the same time. Like, I'm happy to I'm happy to be getting it at all, but oh man. Well, hopefully the storms tonight match or exceed this, because wow, there's been some crazy lightning. See, but I think there's some that way. Or I don't know. How about this? Yahweh, which way do I face the camera? Give me a good instance of lightning, some direction, I'll face the camera that way. This way? Yeah, okay, we'll go that way. No. Yeah, we'll go this way. For now. Don't know what happened. OBS just crashed. This is what it's like. There's just a lot of thunder and lightning with it. Okay. Well. Holy shit. Big spider. Gone spider. Yeah, I ain't turning into Spider-Man tonight, alright? Ain't getting bit by no spider tonight. Especially not that one. Jeez. I think that was a brown recluse. Okay, any more lightning? To be honest, I just want to go back to sleep. So I was planning on recording the night storm from 3 views again, and you know, putting a lot of effort and whatever into editing everything. But like I said, this was not forecast, so seems like one of those angry deity type. There's just a bunch of lightning that that flew by, like literally. So I don't know. I don't have much else to say other than what I've already said and what the storm said for itself. And I really wish you could see that one lightning strike though, in like you know, just head on. As far as my lightning rating system goes, I probably would have been like an 8, maybe 9. I mean, that was like, as far as the lightning itself goes, that was you know, straight up, what is it, positive cloud to ground, like really defined lightning bolt, really like a big thick boy, really bright, really, obviously the thunder was pretty intense, it was decently close. Woo! Okay, look, we're 41 minutes and 50 seconds into this. I'm gonna record for a couple more minutes, maybe till like 45 minutes. So, and then I'm done. Yahweh, if you want to give any more shows of lightning, like one more where I'm really facing the camera at it, you know, I'd enjoy that. But in any instance, I'll be happy to get back in bed. So, maybe that's a hint. I can stick my head out here a bit, and maybe I'll catch something. All right, what you got? How about this? I'll stretch my leg as I do it, or I'll... On one leg now. Back on two legs, but really pressed in hard on the right side. Resting on my right leg still, like wheeling it around. There's a couple instances that you can see when it's on both the webcam and, you know, if I do a double view, where it's like pretty obvious. It had, like, we saw some lightning right when I started exerting through the right side. I still plan to record tonight. If there's gonna be, I mean, I still plan to record tonight. I don't think this has changed the the trajectory of the other storm activity. So I'll do that, and I'll be a lot more prepared for it. This was literally like I woke up out of, you know, when you wake up and you're just like you're in pretty deep sleep, so you're pretty confused, but you kind of know what's going on, but you kind of don't. So you're like, you know, you're really groggy. Oh, that was me. Okay, hold on. Like, you can see that my resting heart rate, or that my heart rate was like in the 40s. I don't know if I can get this to. You can see that it was in the 40s and then it spikes up. And so when my heart rate literally doubles for me to wake up, it's just like, you know, well, first of all, welcome to every day I'm waking up, but it's just difficult. Like, waking up is hard enough for me as it is. But, you know, like 40 something to a I'm guessing it doubled, so doubling my heart rate to wake up from like a pretty deep sleep is you know, it's just not particularly easy to deal with. But okay, this is gonna be the end of this video. I really wish I could have captured that one lightning strike better for you. Tonight I do plan on having the camera set up because I'll be prepared, because, you know, tonight's thing is actually forecast. This is again just like angry deity lightning core going by to prove a point, seemingly specifically to Topeka Padukone. So I don't think this was Batman type stuff, Pikachu. I think this was I think this was more Superman-like lightning. Definitely, if there's any Thunder Dragon, you know, I threw my rod down and my dragon ate his dragon, because, yeah. It's an Exodus 7 joke. Anyway, alright. That's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed. Have a blessed one. See you next time. Yeah.